Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get started with top 10 stocks for Monday. Nelco is forming a bull flag after hitting a high of 409. The rise has been exponential since 25th June, following which there has been good consolidation in the last few weeks. The price is taking support at the level of 373, which was its previous all-time high. If bought at current market price, it can show levels of 434 and 475 after it hits its previous high of 409. Stop loss should be 353 as it is one of the risky stocks in today's catalog, given the fact that its net income is down by 23% even though its revenue is up by 5.8%. ICICI Bank is showing a beautiful cup and holder formation at the level of 665. The volumes since April have shown good consolidation. The stock has been waiting since 16 February to break its high and it's now getting ready for this breakout. Potential upside of 679 followed by 771 and 919 can be seen if the stock breaks 675 with good volume. It can be bought at current market price with stop loss at 588. Torrent Power and Tata Power are two phenomenal power stocks which can become hot very soon. Out of these two, Torrent Power has marginally better financials, but Tata Power had a recent deal with HFCL. Anyone would be happy buying any of those stocks, or if you pick one. Torrent Power hit a high of 508, following which there has been the correction and retest of support at 439. The stock can be bought at current market price in parts as we have completed only A and B wave of Elliott's correction and the C wave can be expected. If there is a C wave, that would be another buying opportunity for the stock. Three price targets can be expected based on previous bar patterns, which are 508, which was the previous high, followed by 573 and 649. Stop loss can be kept at 421. The logic behind this is the fact that if the price has to reach 421, it has to break through the 20 EMA, 50 EMA and the support of 439. Orient Electric is forming a cup and holder pattern, and the last candle is coupled with extremely high volumes which were never observed since 2018. The stock has a history of showing exponential rise after such volumes appear, and the time period is usually 1.5 to 2 years. The stock has managed to close above the resistance of 331, which is a bullish sign. In short term, target of 345 followed by 354 and 385 can be expected if bought at current market price. Stop loss should be around 286. Lumax Auto formed cup and holder, following which the price broke 162 resistance. Massive volumes has been noticed in the last trading session and price closed at the previous high of 171. Given the situation in near term, price can hit 182 followed by 217 if bought at current market price. Stop loss can be kept at 141. The company has year-on-year increase of 42% in revenue and 246% in net income. Nalwa Sons. Nalwa Sons is making an ascending triangle formation at around 1800 level. Stock has good support from the 20 EMA and has been showing good consolidation since the month of May. If bought at current market price, a target of 1988 followed by 2259 can be expected. Stop loss can be kept at 1649. Visakha Industries has been bullish since the golden crossover formed on 1st August last year. It is now trading at a price of 1762 after a massive rise on 6th July, which was accompanied with good volumes. Price was in a range-bound sideways movement since 17th May, after which the stock did a breakout. If you take a bar pattern from 23rd April till 6th July and plot it across, you can expect it to hit 969 levels by September. This can again be confirmed if you use the date and price range tool and plot it from the time since such volumes in the stock was noticed around 23rd April to 6th July and use it as a template from 6 July onwards. So enter the stock only if you are willing to hold it for some time, because it has a potential of giving around 40% returns in a span of 3 months only. The only thing I am a bit worried about is that the RSI is around the overbought zone and the price may test 709 as a support. Making entry in parts would be the ideal move, where you buy 25% of the stocks at current market price, 25% when it tests 709, and with the remaining part you can enter after it breaks out of 776 with good volumes. Stop loss can be kept at 640, just below 642, where the stock has taken support multiple times. Praj Industries is forming a tight zone of consolidation around the current market price of 363. The volumes are minuscule and the stock is taking support beautifully on the 20 EMA. Taking the Fib retracement into consideration, we can expect targets of 407, 450 and 520. The stock is going to test your patience as the consolidation may continue for some time. If bought at current market price, stop loss should be kept at 281, because by that time it reaches this level, it would have broken through the 20 EMA, 50 EMA and 319 resistance. Now let's talk about the Dhamaka stocks for Diwali. Subex is a software company with exceptionally good financials. Stock is forming a bull flag after hitting a high of 74 and is now trading at 68.70. The stock has given almost 125% profit since such volumes were seen, and if we use the date and price range tool, the stock can be expected to give you 100% returns or a level of 112 by February 22. Given the fact that bull runs can become short or long, it has potential to show you that upside by Diwali this year. That is why I said in my TradingView review that it can be the next gold mine if you hold it long enough. The last stock is Modisun. After being listed on 3rd May, till now the stock has given 83% returns, and given the interest in metals, this stock has the potential to fly. Strong financials and a bull flag on the charts, what more could you ask for? If bought at current market price, the recent high of 95 could be the next target, followed by 109 and 124. Stop loss should be kept around 74 as the price has the potential to test the level of 83 as support. The stock can reach one of these levels by Diwali or early next year. These two stocks have enormous potential for growth and can be considered for long-term investment. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good time.